How to fix Samsung microphone not working. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone not working on your Samsung phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go into settings. Tap on connections or connected devices and here try turning off Bluetooth. Sometimes your phone might be trying to connect to a Bluetooth device that either doesn't exist or isn't working properly. Once you've turned Bluetooth off, test your microphone and see if it's working now. If it's still not working, go back to the settings menu and scroll down to security and privacy. Now scroll down a little again and tap on privacy controls. Then tap on permission manager, then scroll down and look for microphone. Inside this menu, you'll see a list of all the apps that have access to your microphone. Make sure the app you're trying to use is allowed to access it. For example, if Chrome is under not allowed, tap on it and change the permission to allow. After updating the permissions, test the microphone again. If it still isn't working, try restarting your phone. Just hold down the power button, then tap restart and confirm by pressing restart again. Once your phone turns back on, check if the microphone issue is fixed. As one last step, you can also try plugging in a pair of headphones into the headphone jack and then unplugging them. This sometimes resets the microphone and gets it working again. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.